coronavirus surpasses 34.8 million as pandemic claims 1 million lives so far. US President Donald Trump was moved to a military hospital for treatment after being diagnosed with COVID-19. In Nagorno-Karabakh, Armenia said that it was ready to work with international mediators for a ceasefire with Azerbaijan. In Palestine, 15 people have been injured in the clashes with Israeli soldiers in different parts of the West Bank. In Sudan, the government and 7 rebel groups did sign peace and agreement at Juba today to resolve decades of regional conflicts. Germany says the country had no breakthrough to announce in European Union talks with Britain. In Afghanistan, 7 Taliban have been killed in 2 separate incidents of accidental explosion in Kandahar province. In Yemen, 3 militants were killed when pro-government security units launched an operation and targeted their hideout in Mahara province.